What's going on, guys? Today we're going to disassemble and reassemble the 1911. This particular model is the Teza's Bantam Carry. It is 45 ACP and it does have, if I can get the mag out, 7 in the mag, 1 in the chamber. It is empty, and we're going to start off with the disassembly. The disassembly, you're going to have to push the plug down. While pushing the plug down, you're going to have to move the barrel bushing to the right. You want to be careful on this part, because if you move the barrel bushing too fast, and the plug can go flying out and it'll go all over the place, and next thing you know, you're going to be looking for it forever. After you take the plug out, you want to take the spring out and move the barrel bushing back to the left and remove it from there. Now that the barrel bushing is out, you want to move the slide back and line these small grooves up with the slide release. Once you line those grooves up, you want to flip the gun back around, and you see this push out hole here. You want to take whatever tool was provided to you, use the tool to push the slide release out. Once that is out, you want to push the slide forwards, and then you have what's left is going to be the barrel and the recoil spring guide, but that falls right out. You can go ahead and push the barrel forward and out the slide. Now you have a fully disassembled 1911. Next is going to be reassembly. You want to start off the reassembly process by taking the barrel, lining it up with the slide, pushing it right in there. Once that's in, you want to take the recoil spring guide, put it in right here, and you want to remember with the barrel, this little circle part right here has to line up to where the slide release can go right through it. So the next step is going to be these grooves right here. You're going to have to line them up with these grooves right here. Once you line them up, go ahead and slide it through. Just make sure the pieces are lined up. Slide it through just like that, like so. Then, once you do that, you want to push the same groove that I showed you earlier, the small groove, and line it up with this big hole right here. Once you have that lined up, you want to move the gun downwards and make sure that in this hole right here, that the barrel is lined up with this hole to where you can just put the slide release straight through and it'll fall in like so. Like so. Once that is in, move the slide forwards to where these line up, and then you can go ahead and put back on your barrel bushing, but you want to remember to slide it on to the right so that you have room in order to put the spring in. Next, you want to put the spring in, then you want to put the plug in. Whenever you put the plug in, you want to push and put tension down on the plug while moving the barrel bushing to the left. Just like that. Once you hear that click, it's locked on, and you have a fully reassembled 1911. And remember, guys, the most important thing is gun safety. So remember to always make sure that your gun is unloaded and to never point it at yourself or anybody else. All right. Once that is on, carry from Teza's. it is going to be 7 in the chamber.
It's a
the tool provided, or whatever you have that fits in here. And then go ahead and push it through to knock it out. Come on. We have a fully assembled 1911. Thank you guys for watching. This is sponsored by the CCP, and I support Xi Jinping.
We're not putting that in.
I'm just kidding.
Say something else. I could just edit that out.
And then push the slide. Let's restart. The grooves again line up with this hole here. Once they line up with this hole here, you have to make sure that the barrel then you have, lastly, this piece.
We're probably restarting on this one.
To start, you want to go on this side of the barrel and push down the spring retention.
We're gonna start over on this one.